country, no border.
Now, Czech Republic.
There's so many cool doors in the Czech Republic. Like what? Look at all these. Wow! It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, I might cry. Skate park in the making, I guess. I guess we're skating now.
Noch eine Einverständniserklärung, die ihr uns hier bitte unterschreibt, dass wir
Oh. Fuck it.
I've never fucked up this bad. Okay, I'm so mad at myself right now. Usually rainbow rails are like my thing and my favorite thing, and I love them. And this one just didn't like me today. I fell like 5 times and just got over it because why sacrifice all my limbs for a trick that I've already done before? Maybe I'm wrong for that. I was gonna try, but it's raining now, so.
Oh, shit.
In the rain.
Oh, sorry.
Legend.
Hey, look.
Pears! And more apples. Freaking love fruits.
You like fruit, eh?
Here we are in the middle of the forest, and I seem to have located some mushrooms. Yo! Frog, mate.
Look at this. Look at this couch pillow.
Soft, squishy,
The design is impeccable.
insane.
Unreal. Nothing like it anywhere in the world, just here, wherever we are. There's so many details here that are amazing. I really hope this can dry up. Check this out. Grind down. Super fun. Here you have the choice between bank to curb or ramp to curb. Up to you. Freaking so many possibilities. I want to go / transfer over. And it's not over yet, folks. More street stuff over here. Best curbs ever. It goes from double-sided to regular to back to double-sided. What? I could stay here all day if it was like not wet. Ah! I love this. I can't even manual, but this has so many options. Maybe I'll learn to hold manuals to just skate this right here because it's so good. You mini tomato berries.
Ooh, that's moved on.
You go up, rock to fakie.
We have to go. I don't know.
I'll just drop it. No, it's too wet. I don't want to slip and die. Yeah, no.
One try.
And if we get fucked up, yeah.
One try.
Hab ich?
Beer in Germany isn't just beer, unless you're Nathan, but this is beer mixed with cola. Beer mixed with lemonade. What?
Oh! Your cup went over it.
Oh. Is it good?
It's good.
In the States, you get like a piece of iceberg lettuce and a tomato. Here, we have cauliflower, beets, cucumber, carrot, everything. Servus, Alter, ist klar?
Servus, Alter.
It's finger licking good.
And then what do you say when you enjoy your meal?
Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit. In Puerto Rico decimos buen provecho. Not a damn chance. And definitely not a damn chance here. I'm dying. Soon to be bowl. Floating couches. Trampoline. Beach volleyball. More trampoline. Where am I? What is this place? Fingerboard everywhere, eh?
Hey, look at this.
Look at rustic fingerboarding
And then,
in nature.
Look at this one, eh?
What?
Look at this tree.
Okay. Shout out Black River.
Shout out Black River.
Shout out Being in Love.
You filmed this?
I make a very clean kickflip. No.
What the? Nice. Oh.
Oh, so
Okay, Mike.
close.
You have 3 feet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, what's your fingers? Here's the roof hangout.
Yeah.
What the heck? Floating ramp.
Yeah, they used to have a ramp here.
Here's the community library. Come check it out. Hot tub. Just find a big metal container somewhere.
Wow.
Look down there. There's a
Dig it
lake.
into the earth. Oh my gosh. Hot tub overlooking the lake and everything.
Dance floor.
What? I'm in like a fairy tale.
Dude, there's a bath here.
Just take a nice clean bath
Good
with the
form.
homies on the dance floor. Pretty sure they all party here like nude. For sure.
Easy, mate. Private show, eh? Just a little private summer.
This bowl's gonna be so awesome. Big shout out to the homie Flo. He literally sleeps outside every night and just build things and parties in this cool little ferry area over there. I don't know what these are. I just noticed these guys.
Sauna.
Sauna! See, you can live like a hippie and have luxuries also.
Let's go check out the couch.
Hi, I'm at my friend's house by the river. Here's the entrance. Nice curtain. You come in. Doesn't look like mud, but there's a pool table. 2 bedrooms. really safe access to them, and really nice open flowing air and breeze throughout the whole day.
It's so cool.
Oh my god, my jacket's stuck. Transportation over here. What's up, bro?
Okay, ready? Yeah. This is Nathan Coe. Oh, shit.
Making little kids film him. Look at him.
Hi, my name is Nathan Coe. Welcome to MTP. Fuck. That's how I get down from my bedroom. My bedroom's up here. Yeah. Cool ass fucking girl, eh? Can you carry it?
Take a picture.
I did.
Oh.